Bulk product update can be implemented when a product used in various recipes needs to be replaced by a new product. In this video, we are replacing all recipes that include 𝗬𝗪𝗽𝗲𝗺𝗃 with belvedere. Open the product, 𝗬𝗪𝗽𝗲𝗃, under the product list. Click on the Recipes tab. Click on Bulk Product Update. Choose a new product, belvedere, from the change to bar that needs to be replaced. Here, all product pack sizes will be displayed along with the product name to easily identify them. Click on Update Selected to move all the recipes to the new product. Please ensure that all conversion units should be compatible for switching between recipes.